Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's step-by-step guide, I'll show you how to enable Apple Pay on your Shopify store so customers can check out quickly securely. Let's get started. Step 1 is to log into your Shopify account. Open your web browser and go to Shopify's login page. Enter your credentials and sign into your Shopify account and select the Shopify store where you want to enable Apple Pay. Access the payment settings. Once inside your Shopify dashboard, click on Settings, which is on the bottom left corner, and in the settings menu, click on payments from the left-hand side. Set up Shopify payments. If you haven't already set up Shopify payments, click complete account setup. Fill in the required details like business information, personal details, and bank account details for the payouts. Click complete account setup to finalize your Shopify payments configuration. Enable Apple Pay. After setting up Shopify payments, click Manage at the top and scroll down to the Wallet section. Locate your Apple Pay and check out for the box and then enable it. Click Save to apply the changes. Step 5 is to test Apple Pay for your store. Open your Shopify store and add a product to the cart. Proceed to check out and see if the Buy with Apple Pay appears at the payment option. If everything looks good, you're all set. I really hope this helped. If it did, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you into the next one. Thank you for watching.